Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We started rolling out the stable MIUI 12, latest versions of its MIUI skins. The company also started the Android 11 beta program for some of its smartphones. Recently heard that the company is developing next version of MIUI, that is MIUI 30. This is a hot topic of discussion currently among several Xiaomi smartphone users. Very interesting video for Xiaomi users. Watch till end. And ladies and gentlemen, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I decided to keep track of MIUI 13. In this video, I will put the information related to MIUI 13 update you need to know about. It will give you the fastest insights, MIUI 13 eligible devices, release dates and latest news. We have a confirmed Xiaomi device list, Android 11 OS upgrade. Next version of MIUI should be available. All the devices running Android 11. This is the list of Android 11 eligible devices. Check it out. Device isn't available on the list, don't worry. We'll add more devices, Redmi and MI series, as soon as I get the information. This was all about MIUI 13. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like my video, if you loved my video, please give me your likes, comments and shares. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. That whatever the latest leaked information and revealing through my YouTube channel will get updated to you at the earliest. See you again in the Inside Stories with another interesting video. Stay safe, stay tuned. This is Subir. Sign off.